What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments, back with another video. And in today's video in that market, PPI came in decent, so the market tried to rise, but it was sort of a sell. It was sort of a fake out because the market sold off towards the close. Some stocks stayed up, some stocks didn't, but most stocks gave back a lot of their gains. We saw some interesting things in certain stocks like Quantum. So, I made like one little small move, but we really waiting for CPI to, get back to getting active. I didn't want to make any big moves before CPI. So I'm going to show y'all what I did today, man. We was up $116. I guess that's after hours. It was like 130, 150, nothing crazy, you know what I'm saying? So let's start with the Palantir position. So with the Palantir position, like I said, we ended up riding this morning. So them close data puts I had, they got spanked this morning. So I rolled them out and bought the $62.50 put instead, just in case we gonna sell off. We had an update today, but look, it sold off. So our other put is down 11%, but we use these as hedges. Sometimes we make money off of them, but sometimes it's time to use them for what they for, hedging. So if CPI comes in bad tomorrow, these will be green, you know what I'm saying? Now on the other end, the call we bought on the dip yesterday, I think it was 140 something, that's 178 now. We got two of those June calls, you know what I'm saying? I told you that was my first experiment with the dip. We have 5% on those. Our leaps hanging in there, you know what I'm saying? One's down 10%, the other one down 42%. You know what I'm saying? Palantir shares hanging in there. We still at 74.1 Palantir shares. Hopefully we can get back to adding to the Palantir shares very soon. Patterson Energy actually went green on us today. That's impressive. That's impressive. So looking at the quantum trade, man, the quantum stocks rebounded, but our positions, down, down, down. But Rigetti was actually interesting. They actually did like 40-some% today. It was crazy. But Serve Robotics is up. I'm definitely going to be adding Serve Robotics most likely soon. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just my little starter position. And it looked like they're going crazy. Look like they did 6% today. SoFi call, I didn't add to that yet. Again, waiting on CPI. You know what I'm saying? Tesla was very interesting today. They gave back a lot of their gains today. So I was watching what was going on at Tesla. Still want to add to that. Uranium Energy call is actually getting hit up. I don't got much money, and then it's the whole leap. So, it's part of the sell-off, so there might be another opportunity. There's so much going on. We didn't add the SPY or Walmart, our new position. We're gonna be buying that with our gains. You know what I'm saying? What else we got? Oklo stayed the same. Nvidia selling off. I like Nvidia at this 130 range. I really like Nvidia at this 130 range. As far as Bitcoin, it's hanging in there. It's doing its thing. MicroStrategy is down 27%. So, it's off its lows, but, it's still off its highs as well. You know what I'm saying? Microsoft, all my positions flat. Robinhood did a thing today, man. Robinhood actually performed the best out of most of the stocks in this dip. It's crazy. So, yeah, I'm really impressed with Robinhood. I think they did almost 6-7% today at one point. I'm going to check it when we, go through the stocks. Grabs went up a little bit today. I'm assuming my call, it's $30. I might be adding a Grab soon because I like Grab. They ain't got no debt on their balance sheet. They just went profitable. It's growth ahead. It's a lot of things I like with the stock. You know what I'm saying? We got Google, GEOs hanging in there, man. This macro situation with Trump and his borders heating up, they probably gonna get funding. That's why I'm messing with that. Advanced Auto Parts must went down because we flat on Advanced Auto Parts, but that's cool. That's cool. And Broadcom's the same. So yeah, like I said, we didn't really touch the portfolio much today because CPI is tomorrow, and there's no point in really going crazy on new calls or new puts on a day like today. Like I said, I got my little hedge in place. I got my little calls I've been had in place, and we just gonna see what happens. Now, if we sell off on CPI, we gonna hopefully make some gains, buy some shares, and hopefully roll that position. Because if CPI comes in bad, that could lead to a longer, more substantial sell-off. You see what I'm saying? But at the same time, we don't want to get like shook out of too many positions, faked out of a lot of our positions, because you got to remember earnings season's coming up soon. A lot of these companies going to be beating and raising guidance. You see what I'm saying? Now, these companies come out and don't beat and raise guidance. It's over with. I ain't going to lie to you. This year, The word of the year is guidance, and we gotta beat. In Nvidia's case, and we gotta beat more than normal. If that don't happen, it's gonna be bad. But let's get to looking at some of these stocks, see what happened today. So first, Nvidia ended up down today 1%. Like I said, they was up earlier, but we gave back a lot of the gains, so Nvidia actually ended up being down today. That's crazy. See what I'm saying? Same with Tesla, 1.72 down. Palantir was up 1.4, but we was up like 4.5 at one point. You see what I'm saying? So what Apple and Microsoft was down a little bit. I'm not sure if they had gains earlier today. I know the QQQ was up earlier today and gave back a lot of its gains. So, we still in a very volatile market. People trying to figure out what's going on. Everybody's trying to decide, are we bullish or bearish? You know what I'm saying? SoFi did great, though. They did 3% today. The quantum stocks, they trying to start their comeback. Rigetti did 47%. Qubit did 14% basically. D-Wave did 23%. And IonQ did 6%. So I'm watching this play out. We're going to see who's going to be right, the bulls or the bears. Because, I thought it was over after the 50% down there and 26% down there. But, we're going to see what happens. Oklo was flat today. And it looks like they up after hours. That's cool. Bitcoin's at 96. So Bitcoin's recovering. That's cool. Meta was down 2.3%. They saying that's actually because of what's going on. They saying Elon might buy TikTok. They don't know who's going to buy TikTok or what's going to happen with TikTok. So everybody's trying to figure out what's going on. So that's what's going on with that. Rocket Lab was up 1%. Helms was up 1%. Helms been hanging in there well. Archer was flat today. Nike was down today. They gonna make me do something with this Nike call, man. Soundhound was flat today, man. And Grab was down 3% today. That's no fun. I need to buy some more Grab. Grab was down 3% today. Cameco was flat. Let's see. Symbotic was up 2%. And Serve Robotics was up 11%, people. That's what I'm saying. That's what we got to look at. Matter of fact, did I go through Serve? I thought I had Serve too. I hope I got Serve too. There, I got Serve and Symbiotic. Okay, we was just making sure. But yeah, I'm really looking at them two plays. Some research on that. But let's go through some of these stocks. You know what I'm saying? Look at what the chart's saying going into CPI, and we gonna see what happens. So I'm gonna start with Palantir. Let's see. So yeah. Alright, so yeah, we bounced off that order block that I was talking about yesterday. So that's a good start. Now, do we hold this? I don't know. Because they saying, post-market, we're here. We're actually in the order block again. So I don't know. We was all the way up here. It looked like we was out there. We bounced off this small fair value gap. It's funny how the technicals work. You look closely. If someone was day trading that, you probably could have seen that and made some money. But yeah, this change of character. I said fair value gap. Yeah, we came to this change of character area, and we fell back down. So, from a chart point of view, we still in the bounce area. This is a retest, so that's not the most bullish thing, but it's not over with yet. Like I said, I would need to see them break this, and then we can go all the way down here. But at this point, we're at a bounce area on the chart, but at this point, it's up to CPI. CPI is going to determine the next move, So for all my technical people, I do technicals and I believe in technicals, but I'm a firm believer in macro can override technicals. Macro can override everything. So if the news good tomorrow, we going up. If the news bad tomorrow, we going down. So, day like today, we kind of take the charts with a little bit of salt. You know what I'm saying? So next, let's look at Tesla, because I know Tesla had a crazy day today. Oh my goodness. Look at that. So Tesla was all the way at 421. Came all the way back down to 396. I be loading up on all this. I ain't got enough money to buy all these Tesla cars, but all these little areas. I'm loving it. If they go back down at 375, I need that again. If they fall, it's 357, 355. We need all that. The order block on them is like 330, 340. That's the range where everybody who own the Tesla cars, like I got the Palantir cars, they're going to be in pain. But that's where you probably need to load up. You know what I'm saying? If it fall all the way down there. And last but not least, let's look at this QQQ. So on the NASDAQ, we hit this order block. We did the same thing. Bounced up, tried for a high, came to a low, didn't finish at the low, but didn't finish necessarily in a good zone. They came up into that little small fair value gap and couldn't even beat that. And we crossed down on the EMAs a few days ago, so you know that ain't the greatest. We still in a major balance zone. So like I say, you know, you can't predict how long this thing gonna last, but from a technical point of view, these is all areas you want to load up in. From here all the way at 503, all the way down to 477. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's going to be a lot of pain if they knock it all the way down there. But these are the areas, you know, this is how the money is made, people. You know, I know it's hard right now. People don't like seeing their portfolios go down. But this is how the money is made. I done been involved in dips worse than this. And I done came out them on the other side. And we going to see as we going to come out this one on the other side. You know what I'm saying? So, it's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments. I know this video a little shorter than normal because, like I said, we didn't do much. It's the day before CPI. And also, I've been meaning to say for the past few videos, if y'all been getting these YOLO updates late, if my videos been showing up late, I don't know why YouTube is uploading my videos so late. I'm trying to fix it. But just rock out with me. You know, I be shooting these things, you know, between like 4 and 7 every day. But they just upload when they upload. Same with my talking videos. Sometimes I upload them one day, they come out the next day. But, you know, I'm going to keep y'all updated. I'm be doing more reaction videos, more research videos. You know, I'm going to be giving y'all better content. I'm just going to try and step everything up. Like quality, everything in 2025. And it's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments. I'm going to see y'all in the next video.